Hey YouTube, if you have bought one of these guns, sandblasting guns, this one here particularly is from Canadian Tire. You know, in the States would be Arbor Freight. But if you bought one of these guns and you find that, you know, you're doing your thing, and you have to kind of shake it all the time, and you know, it's not working the way it should. What you got to do is you take that screw out, you take off this cap, and right down in the middle you'll see another screw. Then you take this off. Okay. I was in a hurry, so I didn't videotape it. I seriously got to get it in my head about filming things. I got a tripod coming, so maybe that'll help. So once you got this off, I ended with a 1/4 inch drill, right? So when you take this off, this is where the sand or your media comes down here. So you take, once you already got this off, you drill a hole into this plastic, and you know, you can start on the lower end and just work your way up, but a 1/4 inch will fit in there, and you won't damage the outside plastic, because the inside you're trying to make bigger, but the outside you still need it to fit perfectly in this hole. And when you got this off, there will be a little piece of rubber on top, then there's a hole ring underneath. Take that out. You'll take this off, right? And side, let me see here. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? So once you got this off, and this is off, the screw is out, you take the whole ring off. You'll come in through this way, and I didn't have a pick kind of small enough on the end, like the angle. There's not much room in there, so I just made one out of cattle fence wire. You'll stick it in, right, and it's in here, right? So you'll stick it in here, and you'll just pull it out, and it'll be about this long. It'll have a groove in the middle. I think there was a hole ring that's supposed to be on there. Mine didn't have it, but there's 2 holes in this piece that you'll take out, and one hole, make sure that you don't mix them up, because you're going to drill a 1/4 inch into the one, but the one got threads on it, and you know, you need to don't bugger that one up. But on the other hole that this goes into, drill it out carefully. Again, a 1/4 inch drill. Then once you got that done, put a hole ring. If yours don't have a hole ring in that middle groove, find a hole ring. I had one that fit, and you just shove it in. Make sure the threaded hole goes in first, and you just put it together, and put your hole rings back in here. Bolt your tank on, and put back your nozzle, and you won't have a problem. Yeah, you can, no problems. I don't even have to stop and shake it. You know, before you have to, you know, turn it around, and you get it a few seconds, and then, you know, you're constantly, you know, trying to shake it in. So you won't have to do that, and works perfect. you know. So just a simple modification, and you got yourself a working sandblaster. Like I say, this particular model, I just needed something at the time quickly, and just, you know, it's not a great capacity, but it's 250 mil, or no, 500 mils, excuse me, of media, and with the modification, no problems. I even did the outside of a rotor, where it goes on, not the rotor itself, but where the tire goes mounted on, you know. Took all the rust off, and it was perfect. It never stopped. It didn't have to shake it, you know, just enough to get the media there and towards the front, and that's it. Just a quick video about if I can get it out of the box there. The hell with it. The media that comes with it, it's aluminum oxide, I think it is, or it's very like really fine. I found that works, but it don't make quick work of it. You know, I bought a big bag at Princess Auto for $10, and you know, it's 50 something pounds. It's bigger, coarse, crushed glass and so on. It's bigger, a lot bigger than this, but works perfect with the modification in this sandblaster. Thank you.